What's the meaning of check-in? Check-in. Check-in.
Check-in. Check-in. The term check-in refers to the process of arriving and registering oneself at a particular location, usually at a hotel or an airport. It involves presenting identification, verifying a reservation, and possibly providing payment information. The result of a successful check-in is that the individual is granted access to the facility or service they have requested. This can include receiving a room key, boarding pass, or other necessary items. Check-in procedures are designed to ensure security, safety, and an efficient flow of traffic for both customers and providers.